Global warming is when the Earth heats up and the temperature rises.
This occurs when greenhouse gases, which include carbon dioxide, water vapor, nitrous oxide, and methane, trap heat and light from the sun in the Earth's atmosphere, which increases the temperature.
We think global warming is a fact because the average temperature is calculated from temperature readings around the Earth. While temperature does vary considerably at a daily level in any one place, global average temperature is remarkably constant. According to analysis of ice cores, tree rings, pollen, and other climate proxies, the average temperature of the northern hemisphere has varied up or down by only a few tenths of a degree Celsius between 1000 AD and about 1900, when a rapid warming began.
Shrinking ice sheets. 20,000 polar bears in the world depend upon the Arctic weather for their livelihoods. Many accounts of polar bear global warming deaths are attributed to the drowning. Polar bears depend upon this natural habitat of the Arctic. However, global warming has contributed to the growing loss of Arctic ice. The Greenland and Antarctic ice sheets have decreased in mass. Data from NASA's Gravity Recovery and Climate Experiment show that Greenland has lost 150 to 250 cubic kilometers of ice per year between 2002 and 2006, while Antarctica has lost 152 cubic kilometers of ice between 2002 and 2005.
Warming oceans. The oceans have absorbed much of increased heat from global warming, with the top 2,300 feet of ocean showing warming of 0.300 degrees Fahrenheit since 1969.
Glacial retreat. Glaciers are melting so fast that some are expected to disappear within 15 to 25 years, denying cities water supplies and putting populations and food supplies at risk, most everywhere in the world, including the Alps, Himalayas, Andes, Rockies, Alaska, and Africa.
Sea levels rise. Global sea levels rose about 17 centimeters in the last century. The rate in the last decade, however, is nearly double that of the last century.
Global temperatures rise. All three major global surface temperatures reconstructions show that Earth has warmed since 1880. Most of the warming has occurred since 1970s, with the 20 warmest years have occurred since 1981. Most of the warming is bringing more extreme hot weather, as the United States warms another 4 to 11 degrees Fahrenheit on average over the next century. We will have more extreme hot weather. Global warming is making days hotter, droughts more severe. This intensification of weathering and climate extremes will bring the most visible impact on global warming in our everyday lives. The number of recorded temperatures in the United States have been increasing, while the number of record low temperatures have been decreasing since 1951.
Global warming has been believed by some to be a myth or a conspiracy theory. As time passes on and facts collect, we have to face the doubting truth of global warming. Our CO2 emissions and greenhouse gases are daily increasing our world temperature. Without knowledge and action, our ice sheets will continue to shrink, our oceans will continue to rise, and our daily temperature will increase at alarming rates. Global warming, unfortunately, is this generation's reality, and we will be responsible for its effects on our climate